Yo, I'm picking up some stuff at the Poke vending machine. Let's go. Uh-oh. First package, is it there? Sure is, guys. Oh. For the second thing, you got a tin as well, Mega Evolution. Oh, drop. We got a tin. Let's go. Let's go. We got one pack of Plasma Flames. And what did we get? Loopany. Let's go. And we got one pack of Mega Evolution. Let's go. We got it, collectors. Winco, dog. Keep it hood.